Hello everyone, welcome back to World Architect. We all love the food products we eat. We even have our favorite ones as well, but did you know how these products were made and packed with the help of technology? Well, today we bring you the list of those food processing machines which you might not have seen before in action. From bakery products to fruits packaging, we have made this interesting list where we'll show you what kind of machinery is used for different products and packaging. Let's dive into the video right after you subscribe to our channel and ring the bell icon for our future uploads. Let's start. Number 20. 6-line machines for apples. Our first production line machine is 6 lines machine for apples, where apples are carried in from the farms. First, they're taken out of the crate inside water so they don't get damaged while unloading and also get cleaned. Then they're moved on to further processes while workers keep removing damaged and unusual apples. This machine keeps refining and separating apples according to their sizes until they get packed in boxes to get transferred to stores, juice production, and jam production. Number 19. Auto Fish Processing Line Machines. This machine is used for the mass processing of fish straight from the sea. This machine cuts and cleans a high quantity of fish with the help of workers. This machine helps in the fast processing of raw fish to finally pack ready-to-cook products. Number 18. Packing Machine. Used for a variety of products, this machine packs and seals boxes. Products it's simple, clean, and easy to use. This machine really does a great job with packaging, which takes a lot of time if done by hand. Boxes are moving in a plastic sheet on a belt where a cutter and seal maker is pressing down each box corners, making a clean seal. Number 17. Automatic Maize Flakes Breakfast Cereal Processing. This machine works with start-to-end production of cereal. One of the higher-end machines, this can make a lot of cereal in 1 hour of production. Connected with belts, this is one of the most important products machinery. Can't imagine a world without cereal at breakfast. Number 16. Automatic Potato Chips Production Line. There's no question when it comes to potato chips. We all love potato chips on different occasions. This automatic machine does a complete job, from potato to ready-to-eat chips packed in plastic bags. Cleaning, cutting, starch removal, drying, and packing. Number 15. Automatic Chapati or Tortilla Making Machine. This machine is designed to make up to 1,000 tortillas per hour. It makes the dough, prepare it up, and even bakes it up ready to eat. Really helpful where people eat a lot of tortillas at once. This saves up time and labor. It's much more effective. Number 14. Fritsch Multi-Twist. You can guess it from its name. Yes, it deals with all twisted bakery stuff. You have to add dough and the processing products. After that, it does the job of rolling, twisting the desired product to a specific shape. A full-size production line can produce up to 5,000 to 20,000 products per hour. Number 13. P3 Pasta Extruder with Mixer. If you love pasta, then you should see this machine might be used to make your favorite pasta. This machine comes with its side machines for ease of use, which makes dough and flattens it up for pasta production. The extruder comes with a cutter which is easy to install overall. This machine is very user-friendly. Number 12. Tabanli Small-Scale Sweet Corn Processing Line. One of the great corn processing line machines, you can start with freshly harvested corn. It cleans up everything in a much more effective way, with elevators taking the product into processing. It's very satisfying to see the final product ready to turn into popcorn for your movie night. Number 11. Industrial Ice Cream Plant Machines. This complete set of machines includes an ice cream mixing unit, continuous freezers, ingredient fever, ripple pump, ice cream filling machines, and stick molding machines. This set produces high-quality ice creams in a hygienic process and faster than other traditional processes. Suppose you've made it this far in the video, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to our channel. It'll really help us out a lot so we can keep bringing you these amazing videos. Number 10. Fritch Easy Line. This is one of the makeup line machines used for a wide variety of pastries. Easy to use, it's quick, efficient, hygienic, and easy to handle. Number 9. Potato Processing Line Surmac. This processing line machine is used to process potatoes straight up from the farm. It cleans them, peels them, and prepares them for inspection. After that, they're cut half to be packed in the back with a lot of washing and cleaning. It also comes with a vacuum unit where bags are vacuum sealed. Number 8. Texture Machinery. One of the most satisfying slicers, it's fast and accurate with a speed of 600 RPM. It slices cheese in a few different styles, and each slice is exactly like the others. So next time when you put that sliced cheese in your sandwich, remember, it's cut in a very satisfying way. Number 7. Automated Pizza Production Line. This production line machine is used to produce microwave pizza on an industrial level and en masse productions. It makes multiple pizzas an hour from making. Start to end product wrapped in bags, ready to be microwaved for your late night snack or dinner. Number 6. Paragon Classic Floss Cotton Candy Machine. This is one of the most interesting machines of all so far, as we all love cotton candy in our childhood. Some of us still love it, and this machine makes it in much more efficient ways. Made up of stainless steel, it has a motor which provides us 3,400 RPMs. Hygienic and easy to use, this machine produces perfect cotton candy without getting clogged. Number 5. Finished Processing Line. This food processing line machine deals with onions. That's a really hard task for humans. I bet you all have experience with that, but this machine does the job and does it much more efficiently, and it's not about one or few onions. It deals with thousands of onions at a time, cleaning, peeling, and completing the process by chopping and bagging them up for consumers and separating the waste into different sections. Number 4. Laska Meat Processing Machinery. This meat processing machine does the job quite well. It provides a great hygienic environment to process meat products. Cutting, chopping, slicing, everything is done in between these product lines to the final packing process. Number 3. San Cassiano Auto Mixer. One of the most important machines used in food processes, this machine mixes and makes dough used in a variety of products, such as bread, pizza, tortillas, and many more. This is time efficient and mixes a large number of products in a short amount of time. Number 2. 6,000 BPH 2-liter bottle drink filling production line. This drink filler production line deals with 2-liter bottles, filling them up with carbonated drinks. This production line starts from making plastic bottles, fill them, cap them, and last, lines tag them up, ready for consumers to enjoy their meals with these drinks. Number 1. Automatic Burger Patty Chicken Nuggets Production Line. One of the most basic and important production line machines for our beloved burgers, patties, or chicken nuggets. This machine forms burger patties automatically. It consists of a few connected belts, which shifts patties as they are being prepared, which will end up in a burger, and maybe your burger. Who knows? That's it for today. Folks, let us know which was your favorite out of the machines in this list. And if you like this video, make sure to show some love by dropping a like and subscribing to our channel, and ring the bell icon for our future uploads. That being said, I'll see you next time.